Alright, we're unboxing the oil lamp, and we're going to put oil in it. I've already punched a hole in it, and here's the top right here. So we're going to be taking it out of the box. I gotta be very, oh, it's very simple right there. So see here if I can show you what I'm doing. I gotta hold the camera some kind of way here, or lean it so you can see what's going on. Let's see. I think you can see it. I hope you can see it anyway. So we're going to unscrew it.
And just put that
No.
in it.
And this is, you know, the part that the oil goes in right here, as you can see right here. So I'm going to just pour the oil in.
It looks cool to you, Ma. That
Okay,
looks
that's
so cool.
my grandson talking. I do apologize. There's something leaking out. I don't understand why it's leaking out. Okay, okay, I'm doing a video. Okay. Alright, so let me see if I can get this in here. Alright. I'm going to put this down. And I'm going to put this back in here like this. And twist it back on. So you all can see it. Let's hop back on that, because I have little ones and pets around the house. So put that over out of the way. We're going to put the top back on here, like so. I think I'm going to make the wick part, you know, you can turn this little knob right here on the side, right here, and make the wick go up or down, you know, be longer or shorter. I think it needs to be shorter. So we're going to see here how this goes. Let's see.